So today I'm going to be showing you 3 really tasty recipe ideas to use with your kimchi paste. Kimchi is a Korean spiced and fermented vegetable side dish, and having it in this paste form makes it really simple to add to any sort of dish you like. So first up, I'm going to be adding our kimchi paste to a Bloody Mary. It's quite strong, really full of flavour, so you'll probably only need about a teaspoon. You'll top up with tomato juice. Don't worry, there's already vodka in here. Give it a good stir. A slice of lemon as well, a bit of acidity. Stick of celery, and then, if you like, a crack of black pepper on the top. So that's our kimchi Bloody Mary. So next up, I'm going to be adding our kimchi paste to a simple vinaigrette to dress this slaw. So first off, depending on how much vegetable you have, I'd say about a tablespoon of kimchi paste. Going to add a little splash of white wine vinegar to that as well, just to bring out the acidity that's already there in the kimchi. And then just mix that together. You can add olive oil or rapeseed oil if you have it as well. So the olive oil helps to bring all the flavours together. So just over with dressing. It really elevates a normal slaw recipe. Great on the side of any sort of barbecue dish you've got. A good mix round so it's all coated. And that's our spicy kimchi slaw. Lastly, we're going to be moving on to our kimchi fried rice. I've got my fried rice here with some bacon and spring onions. And to that, I'm just going to add a tablespoon of our kimchi paste. It's a great way to make some boring rice or leftover rice a lot more interesting. So we're going to finish our fried rice with a fried egg on top. Quite a nice idea for a brunch dish at the weekends. Let's finish with a wedge of lime, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and finally some shredded coriander. So there we have 3 simple but very different ideas to use for your kimchi paste. For more Waitrose Cookery School recipes, click to subscribe.